made my special rub. Yeah, the rub's a secret. Got 2 big old ribeye steaks for me and my wife. Valentine's Day dinner. So, yep, it's almost done. I just gotta add some pepper to finish it off. And no, I don't work with salt because salt's not a friend of mine. So, yeah, make this differently than everybody else. Do have barbecue sauce and ranch, so yeah, it's gonna come out really good. Hope y'all enjoy this. I'm going to add this pepper. I just adjusted my thing to the thick setting, so boom, and that's it. Now we just wrap this up and let it marinate overnight. So we'll see it in the morning time. So this is what we're doing: sweet potatoes, asparagus, and carrots, seasoned well. And then we got the steaks I showed y'all the other night that was marinating.
You want the juice tonight?
All in there. So it's almost done. Vegetables are completed. I'm gonna get rid of some of this juice. And we're good to go. So, meat is off the grill. Completed for a good old Valentine's dinner. So everything's well done. No blood. Well cooked. Cooked all the way through. Alright. Okay, here's the finished product, y'all. And I'll make some clear pictures for you. Alright fam, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and also share this video with other people. And there might be more cooking videos coming up, so stay tuned for that. So, till then, peace.